Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make espresso cookies. To make the cookies, I used my sugar cookie dough recipe, and to cut these out, I use a cutter on the left, which could be a top hat or a cake, and the edger that you can see in the upper right hand corner of the screen. And to trace the outlines on the cookie, I am using edible marker. I made a paper template. So you have the cup, and then the bottom of the cutter is a perfect shape for the plate. I'm going to start with dark brown royal icing, 15-second consistency, and we're going to fill this section. Use your needle tool to smooth it and distribute the icing evenly. Then take a lighter shade brown, use your needle tool to shape the icing while still wet, and then also blend it into the darker brown. I'm going to make the bubbles. To make the bubbles, we're going to use dark brown and pipe immediately onto the wet royal icing, onto the lighter brown, and then we're going to add white dots for the reflection. Use your needle tool for this step. Now I'm going to add more dots using my needle tool, adding dark brown. I'm going to leave these alone. I'm not gonna add white spots on these. Alright, so that's done. Now we're going to use white royal icing, 15-second consistency, starting with a plate. I'm going to let this section crust for about 20 minutes or so, and then we can ice the coffee cup. Again, I'm using about 15-second consistency royal icing. Use your needle tool to shape the icing while it is still wet. Let it crust again, and then you can take piping consistency royal icing and outline. And here are the finished espresso cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.